Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, glad to see you again in my channel. Today I would like to share with you about my favorite food, pumpkin soup. For the full ingredient you can see on the description box below. Let's get started. First of all, you have to peel the pumpkin and cut into small cubes. Afterward, you put it in the saucepan and put some water until all the water covers the pumpkin. Let it boil with the medium heat until the pumpkin soft and boiling. When the pumpkin is getting soft, then you blend it with the blender to make into puree. Afterward, you also put in the blender the garlic and onion. Then saute the garlic and onion with a little olive oil. Wait until it brings a very good aroma. When it's giving a very good aroma, then you pour the blended pumpkin puree. You stir it while adding butter, milk, bay leaf, nutmeg, grounded black pepper, and salt, and keep stirring until it's boiling, or when you see the consistency of this pumpkin looks good, more thicker than before. You can add beef stock or chicken stock if you have, or any artificial flavor, but if you don't like, it is optional. Here I use Royco beef stock, and I'm also using grounded black pepper. You keep mixing until it's ready or it's become thicker than before. When it's done, then you can move it into a serving bowl. This recipe can be used for 3 persons, and while serving you can add some bread. It's really good, especially in the cold weather. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give your like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bon appetit! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.